The title is The Legendary Cairo. He born in Japan in 2011. His real name was Chris. He got his powers from a mystic weapon called Yin Yang in a strange mountain. Let's see the story how he got. One morning, he had decided to go on trekking on a strange mountain called the Mount Fuji. When he was climbing the mountain, it started raining. In a, dis- in a distance, he saw a mystic weapon. When he went closer, the lightning struck at him. He went unconscious. After a few hours, he woke up. He was amazed because his body didn't have a scratch, and he touched the mystic weapon. His body had a new, changed warrior dress like suit, and he got lightning powers in him, and the mystic weapon, and the mystic weapon, and he went to his town. With the help of his powers, he helped people. He became a hero. He wanted to change his name. He created a fantastic name called Cairo. This boy was 11 years old. His father name Anderson, his mother name is Julia.
They died in an accident. He was in orphanage. Ability. He can fly. He can throw his weapon and the weapon come back to him. And thunder shooting ability. Time travel. He did time travel and he went back in the time when his father and mother die. He get back him after saving the people of the world and killing many monsters. He died at the age of 90. The people made a statue of him and kept at the center of the town.